Yeah. You know what's going on right now. You know what's going on right now. If you don't, you know?
Block side. Now we pull up at the party, we came from the block side. She said, why you stooling with that shit? Cause you know I already popped mine. And they don't even know what I'm on, so I get a bitch a lifeline. Now they see me in the limelight.
Mvlogs to the fucking world, man.
Alright. Hey, say nothing raw, look. Is that what you doing, man? Taras. Hey, pattern yourself. Yeah. Don't let me get mad. Listen, anyway, M's Kitchen, the first episode. Listen, something nuts. I'm about to do something nuts. And you know what? This is what I'm saying. Man, take risks, cuz. That's why I'm a madman. Cause if I was to do the first episode of M's Kitchen, surely it will make sense for me to jump in on a, you know, a little light one. Something that I'm used to. One of my go-tos, one of my signature meals. But I thought, you know what? Scrap all of that. Listen, man, then Chinese cuisine, special fried rice, sweet and sour chicken, Hong Kong style. Yeah, man, that's what we're gonna be whipping up today. I can't lie to you, man, I'm actually gassed, cuz. This is the first time I'm actually gonna be showing people that I can really do my thing up in the kitchen, you know what I'm talking about? Obviously I like to talk about doing my thing up in the kitchen, but I've never actually showed the people then what I can really do. Now I'm gonna really show you now I'm gonna really show you what's been going on up in the kitchen, you know? Alright. So first of all, you do not cut this open with your fingers. It's quite difficult. You're gonna get a knife. This is alright, say nothing. First thing, you wash your blood clot chicken. Yeah, wash your chicken. And this is not negotiable. This is not you don't discuss this. You don't ponder on whether you wash your chicken. That's first thing. Woman, I need you like never before. First thing, I got to cut chicken pieces for the blood clot, you know. For the chicken, I'm just gonna cut it into, you know, like little dices, you know. Little dices of chicken, you know. Yeah, go on. So like around like this size. Yeah? Can you see that? No, you can't, because the focus is acting up. I'm gonna show you at the end anyway. But you know, just little dices of chicken, you know that you get. You know, I ain't gotta tell you anyway, you know the chicken that you get in your sweet and sour chicken, you know? You know. Alright. So right now I'm gonna add my seasoning. And season up the chicken, what you're meant to do to chicken. No way to chicken be going touching no heat while it's looking like that. I'm gonna tell you that for free. Yeah, do not let your chicken touch the heat while it looks like this, cause then it's gonna taste of water. So we're gonna add little all-purpose seasoning. Obviously each to their own, innit? You could do whatever, add whatever flavors you want to the thing, but me personally, every time it's an all-purpose seasoning straight. Little ground black pepper. I'm gonna get my little salt from it, then you know, mix it all in. Then we're ready to make it Chinese, you know. But for now, this is just standard. This goes for anyone who will be inviting me to their house at some stage in the future. Please, yeah. Let me flip the cams. This is real life. Please, do not make me no food, and they ain't got no seasoning on it. I'm not joking. This is serious. This is serious. This is real life. I'm telling you, it does not cost more than £1.99. Look, Tropical Sun all-purpose seasoning, or Dunn's River, or I see one called Rajal the other day. Just get the all-purpose seasoning and dash a little pinch on your food. Rapine. Raw. Add the black pepper. I can't do the filming and this is what I'm saying. This is where I've reached my first problem. I can't really mix and film at the same time, you know what I mean? So obviously I'm gonna mix up the seasoning and whatnot, then it's gonna be ready to get China-fied, if that's a word. And if it's not, and if it's offensive, I'm sorry, but you know what I'm trying to say in it. The food's about to get China-fied, you know? Alright. That's what it's meant to look like when, you know, a bit of flavor's been added to it. Now I'm gonna add a little light soy sauce. Obviously, when I was doing my research and everything there, they were talking about add both dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. So if you got the funds to be buying both dark and light soy sauce, then you do you, innit? I'm trying to reserve my piece. So I got the little light soy sauce. Truthfully, I like the dark gal, but I've got to switch it. I got the light soy sauce rather than the dark soy sauce, you know what I mean? Alright. Don't get it twisted, I like the light gal as well. Listen, I love all gal, you know, white, light, dark, fluff, smooth, skinny, you know. No man love the fluff. Me a yard man, obviously me, I do the Chinese thing, man, cook Chinese, but I'm a yard man, so you know I like the fluffy gal. You know. My dog was just looking at me like this guy is an age. Cause anyway, let me add the little light soy sauce to my chicken, you know? Oh my god. This is why man can't really do the cut. Oh my god, that was so much. This is why man can't really do, you know, filming and while I'm, you know. Anyway. Aye, brother. You laying the ras already, you know. How's it smelling laying already? Ain't even touched heat yet. All I did is add a little all-purpose seasoning and let it marinate. Man, let it marinate. Not even marinate, cuz. Man, let it marinate, bro. Do you know how serious a food, you know how serious a meal has to be for you to let it marinate, cuz? It is insane out here, bro. Shows me. Eggs. Man, crack open egg. You say? If you know me, you know I do not fuck with these, man, cuz I do not fuck with eggs. But it's essential for this meal. Cause this, yeah, with the egg, this is how you make the coating. I'm gonna show you the coating, but you know, like the breadcrumb thing, you know, to make it crispy. The egg is essential, cuz. So man, gotta crack open an egg, put a pea in there, then remove it. There's probably bare different ways to do it, so don't get on to me if I'm doing this the wrong way, yeah, because as I said already, this is my first time making Chinese, fam. It's insane, fam. And yeah, oh my days, I'm so hungry, bro. I'm so hungry. I can't wait for this. I actually cannot wait for this. I feel like you mix up. This is what I'm saying. I don't even do the egg thing. But I'm gonna mix it up, yeah, then dash it in the chicken rather than putting it, cause that wouldn't really, you know, if you put the yellow thing in there as well, I don't know. Yolk, I know, I'm acting dumb, I'm acting stupid, my bad. The yellow thing, I'm a bit more, you know, I'm a bit more clued up than that. Yolk, it's called yolk, I know that. Fucking hell. Bottoms up. How can man eat this though? So for real, how can you just have this, yeah? Put this on toast and eat this, bro? You are some criminals, man. Criminals. Think what you want, ain't trying to kill no woman's eye. See, if I went filming right now, I'd have the bangers running in the Ross. You know when the bangers are running the Ross. Anyway. Boom. Man, add the egg. Oh my god. This is what I'm saying. I can't even lie. This part might go so wrong, bro. This might go so wrong. But, you know, if you don't try, you don't prosper. Or something like that. Something along the lines. Oh my days. It just looks wrong. You know what? It just looks wrong. Oh man. Look. I think I scuffed it. Ah man, hopefully not, man. Let me mix up this thing and I'm gonna get back to you, look. I'm gonna get back to you, man, innit? Ruined it, fam. It's an egg, it's this egg thing, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Burnt egg, bro. I'm on egg, bro. If this fucked up my whole meal before I've even started, I'm on egg. Anyone that eats egg or brings egg around me is on. No, anyway. Joke thing, but yeah, anyway, let me get my Now I need the corn flour, you know what I mean? That's to make it crispy on the outside, cuz. And then anyway, you're gonna see what I'm going. Also, it's good to, you know, tidy up as you go along, but me, I'm not gonna do that. That's not my portion, but for you lot at home, it's good to tidy up as you go along, you know what I mean? Alright then. Corn flour. Check. Black pepper to put up on the corn flour, because you don't want corn flour just tasting the corn flour, you know what I mean? And then a little all-purpose again. Alright, listen, for this, I'm just going to show you one time how to do it, because I'm not going to lie, I want to run my tunes, and me bending over, I'm moving nuts. I'm talking insane. But now for real though, bending over and that's hurting at my back, so I can't even do this. So I'm going to show you like one time how to do one of the pieces, and I'm going to do the rest of them, and I'm going to link you again. Anyway, this is how it gets did up. Boom. And get your little chicken piece that's full of egg now. You can just feel the egg coming off it. Hold on, I didn't mix up the... I'm even nuts. My bad, G man. You gotta mix up the, you know, all-purpose and black pepper and everything there, you know what I'm saying? Shit. This is when the mess starts coming, babe. This is when the mess starts coming, man. Fuck's sake. This is when you get your gal, whoever it is, one of them man there. Say, babes, you gonna clean the kitchen later? And when she says no, you ask her, no? Is that right? So what are you having for dinner then? Yeah. You know what I mean? And then, yeah, that's when you can be cheeky or not be cheeky, car. Obviously, if you know that your girl can't cook, just tell her that beat that your belly's gonna be playing later, and litty. Nice little chicken piece. You know? You know? Boom. Get a pinned. Make sure it's fully... Oh my days, that's looking too pattern. Aye. Yeah, man. This is long, listen. That's how it's meant to look, innit? Just fully coated all over. Say nothing, you man. I'm gonna check you when these are done, innit? Show. Anyway. Oh look at it. Focus. Brother, shall I get mad at the cam? Boom. That is how it's meant to look with the corn flour up on the chicken. Now I'm heating up my oil. I don't have one of them thermometer things, so I just wait till it looks ready. And it looks like it feels ready, but obviously I'm not going to touch it because that'll be an age-up move. I've never seen them brown marks around the fucking thing before, but yeah, I'm gonna slap them in there now, see what it's dealing with, see what it's telling me. Lord fire, why did I throw them in there like that, bro? Oh no, see that fucking it. Aye, you man, that's what you do, innit? But I'm gonna need to sort this out, but that's what you do, innit? Cool. Oh my days, look, man's got all corn flour on my camera, you know, I need to sort it out, but look, boom, that's the first batch, you know what I'm saying? That's the first batch, but that's before it gets to the sauce. But look, crispy, look at the crisp, you know what I'm saying? Crispy, crazy. Got the Roddy Rich in the background, yeah man, you feel the vibes, you know the vibes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at Roddy Rich serenaded the mill, man. Nuts. Alright, boom. So the chicken pieces are now done. Looking crispy, no raws. Obviously that's before the sweet and sour sauce and that, but that's what the chicken is looking like. You get it? Proper things still. Proper things come like it's chicken nuggets, fam. Now I'm gonna go on to cutting the vegetables and the peppers and all them things there to go in the sweet and sour chicken. Obviously I didn't get pineapples, but if you want pineapples as well, you know, I ain't gotta tell you what to do. You know what I mean? So time. See me, yeah? Cool. It's time for the veg. I said veg. Sweet pepper and onions, garlic. Being there. Look what happened. Look what I done to the oil. I don't even know what I done, but I done something nuts. Look, that's looking insane. What is that, fam? Anyway, cool. Got the oil there. Ready for the peppers and that. And see me, I'm a type of man, yeah, that would just add something to it, and I will just look in the cupboard and add something to see what I can add to it, just to say that I put my own spin on something. You know what I mean? And today, it's the mixed herbs. Alright? Don't know what it is. I don't know what it does. But we're adding it. You know? Alright. Oh, that's scaring me, you know? I can't lie, that pot, yeah? It's looking black, looking like tarmac. How's my made tarmac, bro? Looking nuts. Alright. Look, so I'm saying all this sitting down stuff. Fuck all that. Sorry for my language again, man. You know? I'm gonna get mad, bro. Look, I'm dashing all of that in there, innit? Man, I ain't gotta talk to see that stuff. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh my days. Why there's no length? Man just put it in there and it's smelling length. I don't know how that works. But you know, I ain't complaining. No sir. Not complaining, no sir. Look at the mess that man's made. Oh my days. But anyway, look. And just mix and you know. Let her do that for a couple more minutes. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. You know, because, I mean, why not? Honestly, why not? Oh my god. Oi. You know? Stir that for a little piece. Till you think it's ready for the sweet and sour sauce. Obviously, if you're doing this, you can do the mad thing and make the sweet and sour sauce yourself. But me personally, man, just gotta link my mad Uncle Ben. Mad Uncle Ben, the sweet and sour. Now link him for the rice as well, you know how it gets. Osh. If the sauce, watch when the sauce is the thing that ruins it. It's gonna be the sauce. It's gonna be the mad Uncle Ben that ruins the whole thing. So, there we go. That looks like I just linked my girl from Gourmet China Cook.
Hey, blood, check out my new track, man. Sick one, sing dong, dang ding dong, sing dong, fang, sing gang dang dong, dong, sing da dong, yang yang dong song. Mày thằng ngu ấy, đi mẹ mấy cái thằng này. Mày tưởng mày sướng à? Đi mẹ đôi mấy cái thằng này về, đi mẹ không gì mà.
Saying nothing, yeah man, that's the thing. Proper. So that there is how you do sweet and sour chicken Hong Kong style. Now let me move on to the special brown wine.
Block side. Now we pull up at the party, we came from the block side. She said why you stooling with that shit, cause you know I already pop mine. And they don't even know I'm on, so I get a bitch alive. Line, now they see me in the limelight.
Mvlogs to the fucking world now. Alright.
I'm still with the same guys. And now when we pull up to the dance, here we come through so